hardly believe it. It's the moment I've been waiting for, this car to reach 150,000 miles. I've been wanting to do a lot of work on this car, and I think now at 150,000 miles is a great time to do some of these projects, really do a thorough job. I'll go through the maintenance manual from Cadillac and do all of the recommended maintenance at 150,000. So, yep, just want to, yeah, it's a big day. Had this car for over 40,000 miles, and we're about to hit that 150,000 mile marker. This car's taking really good care of my family and I. Boom, we are there. Okay, so it's been just a little bit of time since my last update hitting 150,000 miles, but I wanted to go through real quick what I'm going to do for the tune-up for this car. So there's just there's a lot of really small projects, like for example this, you see this rear reflector light that fell off at some point in time, so that's one of the things I want to do. Going to be changing, I went through the maintenance manual, so doing all of the fluids for the ATF fluid, the transaxle fluid, doing pads and rotors on the brakes, rotating the tires, things like this mirror here no longer folds in and out the way it's supposed to, so we're gonna either buy a brand new mirror or replace the motor inside of here. Things like this wheel well, this came undone, so want to get that one replaced. I'm actually going to change out the whole headlight unit. That's obviously a huge issue with these cars. Other smaller things like this grill, a couple years ago this car was in an accident and this got bent there. This piece actually just very recently fell off. A couple of these brackets had been loose, and then it finally just gave way. So we're going to be replacing all of that right there. Like I said, the fluids. If you guys have any small projects or things that you want me to take a look at while I'm doing this tune-up on this car, let me know. Have another bunch of small things inside of the car that I'll be going over, but yeah, this car is great and want to give it its best shot to make it to 300,000 miles. So gonna do a full tune-up. All right, thanks for watching, and yeah, if you want to see this stuff, make sure you're subscribed.